open Filmora. Then click on Stock Media and then AI Media and search here Mini World. Scroll down and click here on Build My Mini-Me and then just upload your picture and select and choose ratio and then click on Generate. Here it will take some time. So now scroll down and click here on Tiny World Magic. Apply same process. Again scroll down and click here, apply same process. Now come to title section and then AI title and choose here this one. So click on it and rename it and then generate. Result is generated. So simply add it to timeline. And do some correction transformation. I am doing here. So just observe carefully. Now we will add transition. So watch it. Now, I am adding 3D page flip effect. Now you can generate AI music through here, audio section, by just giving simple prompt. And finally, you can add stickers into it.